In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Uber not showing prices. If you've ever opened your Uber app ready to book a ride, only to find that the prices aren't displaying, you're not alone. This can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. So let's work together to resolve this issue smoothly. First things first, let's make sure your Uber app is up to date. An outdated app is often the culprit behind many glitches. So head over to your app store. In the case of an iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store, and for Android users, that's the Google Play Store. Once you're there, search for the Uber app. If you see an option to update, go ahead and tap it. This will ensure that any new fixes Uber has made are included in your app. Now, if updating your app didn't solve the issue, let's move on to checking your internet connection. This might seem basic, but a weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from loading prices. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You can also try a quick restart of your phone or router, which can sometimes clear up any connectivity issues. Another useful tip is to clear your app cache. Over time, the cache can become cluttered, leading to performance issues. To do this, Android users can go to their settings, scroll down to apps, then find Uber in the list. Tap on it, go to storage, and then select Clear Cache. Unfortunately, iOS users don't have a direct cache clearing option, but don't worry, a simple reinstallation should do the trick. Speaking of which, sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling the app can be surprisingly effective. This can help to eliminate any potential bugs. Simply hold down the Uber app icon on your home screen, select Uninstall or Remove App, and then reinstall it from the App Store. If after all this the issue persists, it's possible the glitch isn't on your end. Sometimes Uber experiences service-wide disruptions that prevent prices from displaying. If you suspect that might be the case, try checking Uber's social media accounts or their official website for any updates or reported issues. Lastly, if none of these steps have worked, reaching out to Uber support might be your best bet. Open your Uber app, tap on the menu, select Help, and choose the option that best fits your situation. Here, you can describe your problem in detail, and the support team usually responds pretty quickly. By now, your Uber app should be running smoothly, and those elusive prices will hopefully be visible once more. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips and solutions.